In the Master of Science in Innovation Entrepreneurship, students learn how to discover exciting opportunities and then a step-by-step approach how to make them real and create fast growth businesses. With the knowledge that the students get in the program, they can work in high growth companies, they can create their own venture, they can work in corporations that want to start their new businesses, or as well they can work in consulting companies that these days focus a lot on digital practices. In the program, the students can work in a very exciting space. They can work in the Rambla of Innovation, in the Fusion Point, in the e-garage. So those are wonderful spaces to get together with people from different backgrounds, create real companies. Then as well, we take them to core hubs like Barcelona, like London, like Berlin, so that they see high growth companies, that they see opportunities for employment and what their future can really look like. So people learn hands-on practices taught by the practitioners of high growth companies, how to do product development, how to do marketing, how finance these ventures in a very dynamic space. If you'd like to apply for this program, we have the New Venture Challenge, which is a scholarship program where you can actually get a full or half scholarship to do the Master of Science here at Esade. After the program, graduates have a changed mindset. They see this world full of opportunities and they have the skills and knowledge how to make them real.